Hello guys, welcome to Market Action. My name is Sharath. Today we are going to do a live trading video and I am going to do option buying today because most of my viewers are option buyers, and if I do option selling then they won't understand what I am doing. So option buying is something which is different game compared to option selling. You can't trade as an option buyer with option selling mindset, and you can't trade as an option seller with option buying mindset. So both are different games, both are different businesses, so mindset should be different. So we will wait for the market opening. Already pre-market has been opened and it is slightly a gap down open compared to previous day close, and in Nifty also it is slightly a gap down open. So it's a gap down open. Either it might consolidate, it might move till here to the previous gap border, or it might move in the upper side gap border. So it might fill any gap border here. After that we might expect some sort of reversal from here, or we might expect some sort of breakout in the bottom side. So we will observe the price action. Later only we will take the entry. As a trader, as a day trader, one thing you have to remember whenever you start the day: two trades for the day, not nothing more than that, just two trades for the day. And two trades should be with 1:2 risk reward ratio. Once you take the entry, either the stop loss, either the target, in between you should not exit the trade. So this is the rule you have to follow. No matter whatever the strategy, no matter whether your analysis is right or wrong, once you take the entry, either stop loss, either target, you have to fix 1:2 stop loss or target. Otherwise you should not exit the trade. This is the rule we have to follow, not about the analysis. You can take entry with whatever might be the strategy or whatever might be the analysis. So this is the rule. So I'll be taking only 1% risk upon capital. This 1% I divided for two trades. Why 1% risk upon capital for a single day? I can take 10%, I can take 50%, but why 1% only I am taking? Because if I lose 1% today and tomorrow also if I make a loss, and continuously for 20 trading days, for 1 month, if I lose, and 1% for 20 days is just 20%. My capital will be there. 80% capital will be still safe even though I make whole 1 month loss, right? So there is a possibility of loss. We don't know whether we make profit, whether we make a loss before the market opening, right? So that is the reason why once your capital is safe, you can trade next month also, you can trade another month also. So as a full-time trader, capital is very, very important. If I take 50% risk on a single day and that hits my stop loss, with 50% I can't trade again, right? So it will be very difficult and emotionally you will be weak. Again I have to find another job to make capital. So that is a different thing. So as a full-time trader, you have to take small risk and you have to make 2% upon your capital. This is the rule. And for a monthly basis we are aiming around 5% 6% return. As a full-time traders, we are not aiming for taking a trade today and becoming millionaire tomorrow. That's impossible, and it's not a good thing to do, right? So now the market will open. Now the time is 9:14 and 28 seconds. So market will open now. So this is a bank nifty chart in 5-minute time frame. This is a nifty chart in 5-minute time frame. This is a bank nifty chart in 15 minutes time frame. As an option buyer, I'll be very comfortable to take entry in bank nifty because movement will be very, very good in bank nifty. And this is a chart of bank nifty in 1 minute, and this is a chart of bank nifty in 1 day time frame. So this is my position. So you can see my WhatsApp here. I already gave pre-market levels and some of the important psychological things for my webinar students already. This is my morning text, 8:57 a.m. Just before starting the live, I gave some important psychological factors for my webinar students. You can see here. This is the chart pre-market levels I gave and global market sentiments, some of the important factors, how much points we should keep as a stop loss in bank nifty. Some of my students asked yesterday, so that was what I explained here. So we will start the video, and market has been open now. Nifty is taking support from the previous gap border. This was the previous gap border in Nifty. At that level, Nifty is trying to take support, and sorry, bank nifty, and Nifty is at R2 pivot. Nifty is trying to take support from R2 pivot, and there is a gap border of previous day, right? Bank Nifty is trying to close below that gap border level in 15 minutes time frame. In 1 minute time frame, you can see here. So this is 1 minute time frame. This is daily time frame chart of Nifty. So we will see how the bank nifty and nifty will react today. So we need just two trades, guys. So don't need to hurry up, don't need to stress or anything. Just two trades. If that goes in my favor, then a target. If that doesn't go in my favor, then a stop loss of 1% for the day. That's good enough, right? When I make a profit, I will be making 2% for the day. So it's taking support from the R2, and bank nifty is trying to close below gap border level, and C pair is somewhere here. So yeah, we will see how the market will react. So guys, as you can see here, buyers are protecting their stop loss here. You can see how beautifully price made upward movement on 4th of April. That was a big gap up open in Bank Nifty. That level has been protected by buyers now. You can see here buyers are not letting the price to close below that gap border. If the candle closes below this gap border in 15 minutes time frame, we can expect a good movement in Bank Nifty, but buyers are not letting that to happen. In 5 minute time frame, you can see here it was a strong consolidation, and Nifty is also inside the first green candle only. So then now the next trade will be, if the Bank Nifty closes below this gap border, then we can expect a good wonderful movement till the next gap border level. And if the Bank Nifty makes any green color sort of candle, then we can expect a good move in the upper side direction also. But for that, the current day high should break, right? This is the level of sellers. From here, seller made the price to move in a downward direction. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. It will be very easy for me to explain. Here you can see price made a downfall movement. After that again went up. Again sellers pushed the price in a downward direction, but buyers protected their stop loss, protecting the gap border. They are trying to move the price in upward direction. So here the buyer and seller is fighting for their directions. Now we have to wait and see what will happen, whether the price will close below this gap border, whether the price makes a green candle here. That is very, very important. Let's wait and observe. So guys, in 15 minutes time frame, price closed below gap border here. This is an important gap border because from here price made a sharp upward movement. It is the level of bulls, so that level has been broken now. But there is a current day low level, so for that reason I am not going to take an entry here. If the price takes support from the current day low level, then we can expect a wonderful upward movement in Bank Nifty. So it might become a trap here. So there are bulls here, right? From here bulls took the price in upward direction, so that might act as a support here. So for that reason I'm not taking any entry here. If this current day low breaks out, then we can expect a wonderful movement in Bank Nifty in the downside. So as a day trader, if the entry is good, if the price makes any sort of upward movement and stop loss is good, then we are going to take trade here, right? So you can see here how beautifully price is taking support from the current day low level, and price is not going to break that level. So next candle in Bank Nifty is trying to take support, and we will see how the Bank Nifty will respect that current day low level. Let me post this for my webinar students. So you can see here Bank Nifty is trying to take support from the current day low level. In Nifty also it is inside the first candle only. Bank Nifty is also in 15 minutes time frame. It is trying to close below current day low level, but it could not able to do that. In 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see that price is respecting that current day low. How buyers are trying to protect their stop loss. This is very, very important. They're trying to protect their stop loss. This is the stop loss of buyers. From here you can see how beautifully price made a sharp upward movement, right? How beautifully price made a sharp upward movement from this level, right? So that level is now getting respected by the buyers. See here, such a huge candle. Buyers are trying to protect that level now. So we will see the price will respect. So there is no strategy yet, there is no entry yet for us. So if the green candle forms here, then we can plan for an entry, but I'm not expecting any green candle here. Price might break that level. So in 15-minute time frame also, 8 minutes left. So in 1 minute time frame, you can clearly observe the price action, what buyers are doing here, right? So let's wait and see how the price will respect this level, right? So guys, as you can see here, the gap border level has been broken in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty closed below current day low level also. In Nifty also you can see in 5 minute time frame, the current day low level has been broken because it's an important level of buyers. Buyers made the price to move in an upward direction, right? So that level has been broken. So Bank Nifty is trying to make a reversal here. Let us see whether Nifty trying to make a reversal here. Let us see whether Bank Nifty will make a reversal at least till here or till here. So there is a confusion here. I'll be taking an entry. There is a possibility that Bank Nifty might make a reversal till here, or it might make a reversal till here. So we have to wait and see, because my stop loss will be above the entry candle. If I take entry here also, then it is a good entry, right? So stop loss will be very small. And if in flow, if it breaks this level, then we can expect a reversal till this gap border level. So we have to wait and see how the reversal will happen, because I am not comfortable in taking entry in candle close, because keeping a stop loss this much is not a good thing for me. So let's see how it will happen, right? So guys, we took an entry here. You can see my position here. So I captured this reversal till the gap border level. So price went up till here, and after that you can see price is rejecting from that level. Nifty made upward movement, and Bank Nifty also respected that gap border, and it is trying to come down here. So in 15-minute time frame, if this makes a bearish pinbar sort of candle, then we can expect a wonderful move till the next gap border level, right? Wonderful move till the next gap border level, we can expect the move, but as a option buyer, I don't expect such a big move. I am not waiting for such a big move, and we are in a small profit now. We will see how the Bank Nifty will move now, right? So I'm expecting a straight fall in Bank Nifty, because it retested that gap border level, right? So we will see. We will wait for our target, or we will wait for our stop loss. My stop loss is 20 points. I'm keeping stop loss. So you can see my entry here. I entered at 315, the 37,800 P. So 20 points will be my stop loss, 295. So I kept my stop loss here. So you can see my stop loss. So small stop loss compared to my entry. So 20 points I kept, because I captured that reversal, right? So for that reason, stop loss is very, very small. Simple technique here. Simple gap border, or previous support level or important demand level has been broken. After that, I waited for the small reversal till that gap border level, because once the level breaks out, which will act as a support resistance for the price. If the support breaks, then that level will act as a resistance for the price. So I waited for small reversal. So I captured a reversal and I took an entry here. So we are in a profit now. Yeah, I gave this level for my webinar students during the live market only. I gave this level, you can see here. So chart also given here for my webinar students. So during the live market only, we will provide this support. You can see both are current day low level. 15-minute candle close below current day low might move the price in downward direction. So everything has been given here. I gave an entry here. So I will take entry once price makes a reversal till gap border level with small stop loss. I would like to enter in Bank Nifty. This message I sent at 10:01. So I entered at around, you can see my entry here. My entry was at around 10:19. Before 15 minutes only, I gave this level for my webinar students. So that's what we do with our webinar students. We are in a small profit now. In live market, everything is different. So every possibility, every entry, everything is different. You can say anything after the market hours. That's the different case. So in live market, things changes, entry, exit, everything changes. So you can see here the small profit is running here. So guys, I exited the trade at this profit because Nifty was near to the gap border here. This was the gap border of Nifty. Here you can see this is the demand level of Nifty. From here, Nifty might make an upward movement. So that is the reason why I exited here. From here, Nifty might make a sharp downfall moment also. That is also possibility is there. But I was in a profit, almost like some sort of profit here. Like I entered at 315, I exited at 318, almost like 70 points. 1:3 profit was done for the day. So that is the reason why I exited. After that, you can see here Bank Nifty is moving here. So I exited at 380. I was expected a profit till 415 was my target actually. Since Nifty came near to the gap order level, that is the one reason I exited at this level. If Nifty slowly came down, then Bank Nifty would have been slowly came down and we would have made 100 points profit with 20 points risk, right? So that possibility was there, but Nifty changed our plan, so that's okay because we are in a profit of 1:3. It's nearly 1:3 for 20 points risk. I made 315 was my entry, right? Let me go to the orders book. 315 was my entry and I kept my stop loss at 295, which was 20 points, and I exited at 380. So you can see here 315, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 60, 65 points of movement. So for 20 points, which is 3, 1:3 is the profit. So this is the thing. So don't look at these numbers, man, though. So it is very, very not useful for anybody, right? If I made 1 lakh or 2 lakh, it's nothing. How I took the entry is very, very important. Whatever might be your capital, what is your entry, how you exited is very, very important, right? Hope you understood my entry here. So let me update it for my webinar students. Yeah, so this was our first trade. We made a profit here, 1:2 profit, and I updated this to my webinar students also. So I gave this trade at around 10:01, so 10:01 a.m. and we entered that trade at around 10:19. So 15 minutes before only I gave this trade. So for my webinar students, during the live market only, we provide live updates. So everything here only you can see. I will share the chart, I will message them. And regarding one question also, there was a question here. Yesterday, one of my student asked how much points we should keep as a stop loss in Bank Nifty. So for him, today's video is very, very helpful for him because I explained the same concept yesterday and I did the same thing today in live market. So for him, that will be very helpful for him. If you are watching, buddy, please do comment in the comment box. Okay, so yeah, Bank Nifty is trying to take support from the current day low. So if it is a green candle, then we can expect a wonderful upward moment in Bank Nifty. But at the same time, Nifty is at gap order level, so it is also closing above the gap order level. So yeah, yeah, if it closes above gap order level, and we will get another trade here. Again, same thing, same thing. If it is a big green candle, then I will wait for the reversal. So yeah, let me give this trade for my webinar students. So I already given everything, so you can see double bottom and also Nifty closed above. Bank Nifty is also closed, so I will be interested to take an entry if Bank Nifty makes some sort of reversal at least till this half of the candle. So my stop loss will be below that bottom. This will be my stop loss. So if it happens, then only we will take the trade. Otherwise, we will avoid the trade as option buyer. So it's trying to make an upward movement. Nifty also, there we have a yes to pivot resistance here. So in 1 minute, let me observe. Okay, in 1 minute, it's going in upward direction only. Can we draw the trend line here? No, it's not respecting. So leave. So if it comes near to half of this candle, then I'll be uh, excited to take an entry because stop loss will be very, very small, right? If it doesn't happen, then avoid. I will update to traders if I find any entry. Otherwise, video will be very, very long, right? So guys, I missed an entry here. I could not able to take an entry, even though it made a reversal here. I chosen a wrong strike price. After that, when I was adjusting that, price made a sharp upward movement. So it was my mistake. I could not able to take an entry. So let's see if again market gives me an opportunity, then I'll be taking an entry here. So due to some issues from my side, I could not able to take the entry. Otherwise, I would have entered here, and most probably 1:2 target was done here. So we'll see if the market gives another opportunity, we'll take an entry. Otherwise, we will wait for another trade, right? So let's wait. So guys, this is it, done for the day. Two trades done for the day. We are in a profit now. We are in a small profit. I made 1% upon my capital, nearly 1% upon my capital. If this went in my side, then it would have been a 2% for the day. So that triggered my stop loss. After that, Bank Nifty made a sharp reversal. It was a clear-cut mistake here. You can analyze the mistake here. Here there should be a green candle. I didn't waited for the candle close. I directly entered looking that price made a upward movement. So I thought price will make a upward movement, but after that it was a red candle. After that it reversed. I exited at stop loss level, so that's fine. So you can see my stop loss here, 2000 rupees stop loss and 6500 rupees as a profit, which is 1:3. So it's good to have 1:3 profit, right? I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please make sure to like this video. Also subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload new videos in this channel.